Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and in this video we are going to learn about subtraction of integers. Before learning about subtraction of integers, let's revise what are opposites. Now, if you look at a number line, so we have 0 in the middle, and this side we have negative numbers and this side we have positive numbers. For every number there exists an opposite of that number. For example, if we take positive 5, so negative 5 is the opposite. On this number line, if we take 13, negative 13 is its opposite. If we take negative 16, positive 16 is its opposite. So this is how we change a number to its opposite. So let's take the first case of subtraction where we have 6 minus 8. Now first we have to figure out what numbers are we subtracting. If you look at this minus sign, this indicates taking away or the operation of subtraction. So we are taking away 8 from 6 positives, we are taking away 8 positives. So now because this 8 positives is bigger than 6 positives, so we need to change the subtraction to addition. So we will do positive 6 and we will change subtraction to addition plus negative 8, because the opposite of positive 8 is negative 8. So let's see, we have 6 positives. You can think of like this in your mind also. You need not draw these chips every time. And we have 8 negatives. So how many 0 pairs do we have? Yes, we have 6 0 pairs. So answer is negative 2. Let's take the next question. We have negative 7 minus 2. Now see how I read the question. Negative 7 minus 2 means, what are we doing? We are taking away positive 2 from negative 7. Now, how can we take away positive 2 from negative 7? We need to change it into addition and we need to add the opposite. So, we will change subtraction to addition and we will take opposite of positive 2. And opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. So, now we can see negative 7 plus negative 2. So, the answer is negative 9. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Negative 4 minus negative 6. Now see how I read the problem. So here we are taking away negative 6 from negative 4. So we will add the opposite of negative 6. So opposite of negative 6 will be positive 6. So we have 4 negatives and 6 positives. So we'll get 4 0 pairs and our answer will be positive 2. Let's take another example. We'll take 5 minus negative 7. So how did I read 5? 5 is positive only. So here we know that 5 is positive and we are taking away negative 7. So we will add the opposite. Let's add the opposite of negative 7. What is opposite of negative 7? It is positive 7. So 5 positives and 7 positives What do we get as the answer? Yes, we'll get 12 positives as the answer. Okay, so these are the cases of subtraction. These are the 4 cases which you have to practice. So I'll give you a challenge. You can watch this entire video and solve these problems. So the first one is negative 11 minus 2. Second one is 2 minus 11. Third one is negative 2 minus negative 11. Fourth one is 11 minus negative 2. Now, if you read it properly, half of the work is done. Then we have 2 minus negative 11. So, you can try these 5 questions and send your answer in the comment section below. Let's see how many of you get it correct. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.